Hi everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions with another fantastic success story, this time for client ID 7212. Now, we didn't just remove one default, we didn't just remove two defaults, we removed three defaults. So 3 out of 3 for the team. Such a fantastic result. And this particular case, this client stood to lose his family home if we couldn't remove those defaults because he needed to refinance into a better lending option, but was stuck because of the 3 defaults. And he was so happy with our work. He even called me once we finished and he was so grateful for the work that we had done. He left us a brilliant 5-star review as well, which is great. I'll read it out for you now. I was in trouble with my credit report with commercial and non-commercial defaults, and the Credit Fix Solution teams focused their work and resourced on fitting for me to remove all of it in a very short time frame, and I have been notified about every single step in the full process of the scope of work during this short time. The Credit Fix team introduced the most efficient way of getting my credit report back to life, and they saved my settlement and my family home. Thank you, Victoria and the team. So get in touch today if you've got any defaults, court actions on credit reports. We can remove them. It is about a 4 to 8 week journey though, so it's nothing quick in my world, but at least there's nothing to pay with us unless we can show you we have done the work as promised. Thanks for listening.